Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 11th standard mathematics chapter number 7 continuation of exercise 7.2. Now problem number 10. If small a, b, c are pth term, qth term and rth term of an AP respectively, find the value of the determinant. First row ABC, second row PQR, third row 1, 1, 1. Okay. That is problem number 10. AP represents arithmetic progression. We know the formula of an nth term of an AP. In AP, nth term I consider as a Tn formula, a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we have small a, b, c in the question itself, so that I consider capital A plus n minus 1 into d. Here you are given a, that is pth term, a that is pth term, b that is qth term, c that is rth term of an AP, that is given in the question. Right, here instead of n we have p, replace n by p in the formula, we will be getting a plus p minus 1 into d. Here n that is q, replace n by q in the formula, a plus q minus 1 into d. Here replace n by r in the formula, you will be getting a plus r minus 1 into d. You are asked to find out the determinant ABC, PQR, 111. Therefore, determinant ABC, PQR and 1, 1, 1 in the third row. That is equal to, this a can be replaced by a plus p minus 1 into d. A plus p minus 1 into d, like that. This b can be replaced by a plus q minus 1 into d. And finally c can be replaced by a plus r minus 1 into d. And write the second row as it is, P, Q, R, and even third row as it is, 1, 1, 1. For the determinant, now we have to find out the value of this determinant. Here this itself, this determinant can be written as a sum of two determinants. Sum of two determinants. Plus here we have PQR 111. Second row PQR, here also PQR. Third row 111, right, 111, here also 111. The first row, look at the first element, A, right, A. Second element is P minus 1 into D, here Q minus 1 into D, here R minus 1 into D, right here. P minus 1 into D, Q minus 1 into D, R minus 1 into D. Okay. Here in this determinant, you can take A as common from the first row. Here D as common from the first row. Now for your reference, I highlight that A, here D. So A here, D here. Since we are taking A as common, the first row becomes 1, 1, 1. And the second row, that is PQR. Third row also 1, 1, 1. In second matrix, we are taking D as common. If we take a D as common, we have P minus 1, Q minus 1 or minus 1, PQ or triple 1. P minus 1, Q minus 1 or minus 1, P, Q or 1, 1, 1. Determinant, it is also determinant. That is equal to, here write A, here look at that first row and third row, both are identical. We can write the value as 0. Write the reason, since R1 is identical to R3. The two rows are identical, the value of the determinant becomes 0 plus D into here. Now I am going for the transformation, that is I am changing R1. R1 implies R1 plus R3. I am adding R1 and R3. I am writing in R1. If we do it, this is R1, this is R3. No change of R2 and R3, write as it is first. What is R2? P, Q, R. Even R3, no change, triple 1. 1, 1, 1. I am going to change only R1. Listen carefully. Adding R1 and R3 and write in R1. R1 and R3. We have to add P minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled P. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled Q. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled R. That is equal to A into 0, that is 0 plus D into, look at the first row and second row, both are identical. So you can put 0, write the reason, since R1 is identical to R2 in second determinant. That is equal to 0 plus D into 0, 0, that is equal to 0. You are asked to prove, find the value of the determinant. So the value is 0. The problem number 10 is completed. Then I'll be teaching problem number 11 in the next video. Thank you, children.